Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am back with another expert option video. So let's hop into the video. Today I am gonna show you one of the easiest strategies to trade. This strategy is good for beginner traders. It's a very easy and simple method. Okay, I am trading $1,000 on my demo account. But don't worry, this works on real accounts also. Most people say the markets in the demo account and the real account are different. That's not true. Both of the markets are the same. Most people just get scared to trade on the real account. I recommend you to practice from your demo account at least 3 or 4 months before you move on to the real account. Okay, enough talking. First, I am gonna put the trade and show you the strategy, then I will explain it to you. As you can see, the market is going down. Now I am gonna put a buy order. Okay, as you can see, I won the trade. The strategy that I am using is very simple. So as you can see, there are spikes in this market. What you have to do is just find the market trend, and when the market suddenly changes its direction, put your order there. For example, if the market has an uptrend and suddenly the market went down from a straight line, you have to put a buy order. When this happens, the market will quickly move up again and it will go back to the market trend. If you can quickly notice the down spike, you can put your order and win it. When you're using this strategy, you must select a market with spikes in it. Don't choose markets like this. Okay, now you can see the market having a downtrend. So I am gonna put a $1,000 sell order. Okay, as you can see, the market is clearly moving down. I got $830 profit from that one trade. Now you can see the market is having down spikes and moving up. This is the best time to put a buy order. We just have to find a down point on a spike and put the order. Okay, as you saw, the market went down and again went up. I won that by a little gap. In trading, you have to take that risk. But don't be too soon to put your order. Sometime when the market changes its direction and won't come back up again. Don't be too soon and lose your money on those places. Okay, let's go back to trading again. The market is having a downtrend. So I am gonna put a sell order here. If you want to add these indicators that I have, please watch my previous videos. Okay, I won that trade and got $830 profit again. I am gonna stop my video here. Please, if you learned something, leave a like and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.